in Google Gemini with the help of Canvas. Here I can able to generate presentations and websites as well. Let's generate an article first and then we'll generate a presentation and a website with the article. Generate an article on 2025 Indian economy. Just enter. So with a simple prompt, I'm generating an article about 2025 Indian economy. With the help of this article, I will generate a presentation and then I will generate a website. So it's generated an article on India's economy in 2025. This is the article. For this article, I want to generate a 10 slide presentation outline. Generate 10 slide presentation outline for this article. Enter. See, when you are generating presentation content or blog content or landing page content, better to use a deep search option. With the help of deep research, first Google Gemini generates content and then go for Canvas feature, generate infographics, landing pages, websites or presentations. So this is the presentation about Indian economy 2025. So you can export to slides, you can download this PPT, you can share this canvas. Same like you can ask to generate a website or even generate a website on this. Enter. Keep it in mind. Here I am using with a basic prompts. So please suggest colors, fonts, images and animations that can help create a better and more polished output. When you are working with these large language models or diffusion models, you need to give a detailed prompt. So this is the website generated by Google Gemini. Further, I will explain how to generate a detailed prompts by using the same large language models. As of now, I am using very basic prompts to understand easily.